Hey everyone, welcome back. Right, Christmas. I know, that time of the year again. I've been having a play. I've got a new Christmas kit and I've made up some Traveller's padded, quilted, no less. Traveller's Note inserts. So, let's go through the kit first. It is a planner, a Christmas planner. I was having a look and I thought, ooh, that's an idea. There are two variations on a theme, so they're all exactly the same pages. It's the background colours which are a bit different. So we've got sort of plain, printer switching off. We've got plain sort of age paper, and this one's got a kind of lilac-y pink colour to it. Those are the differences. So if I quickly go through 18 pages in total, which includes 3 pages of ephemera. So we've got, this is the full-size version, and then I've made up the travel note version. So we have that one. They are collages, in effect, of some of my favourite images. And then we've got the planner part. And notes, to-do lists. Christmas is always so... It gets a bit hectic in our household. I should imagine it does in most households. This is the lined page. And then we have like planner pages, diary pages, I suppose they are, aren't they? So I have printed them so they can be actually put together like that if you need in a journal. And then one with a December calendar on it, and a whole page. I've actually used these as the centres of mine. And then ATC type tags for pockets or tuck spots or whatever. And then the ephemera, so 3 sheets of ephemera. So a couple of calendars, notes, line notes. And then the just nice Christmas images. And some other Christmas ephemera. And the pink one is the same layout. Like I say, the main differences are, you can see this sort of lilac-y colour at the back. I'm trying to find one that's got a lot more sort of colour to it, if that makes sense. I've used both kits in the travel note ones, so you can sort of take your pick, and it's coming up a lot darker, I can see on the screen, than it is in real life, but we'll see how it goes. And the ephemera, the ATCs and the ephemera are all the same on on all the kits actually. Right, travel note inserts and covers. So I have 3. Quilting. Blimey. What an art form. They're all the same, but different, if that makes sense. So got the covers. Now I've attached them with the wires with beads, as you can see. And eyelets. There are jangles on the front. So if we go inside, so they've all got the padded quilted cover, and they're all set up for 2 inserts, which is what are inside, and this is the travel note kit. So I will quickly sort of run through some tags that I've made. And then these are the ATCs. I've put them in there rather than, if I pull the tags out to the first one, they are all roughly the same. So this is the ATC size. We got, this is from a book, A Victorian Christmas, and then we got Edith Holden and some music paper. And I went a bit mad with the heat embossing on these. So if you can, I don't know if you can see that. That's better. It's very difficult to know whether to stick things down for pockets. So I've clipped everything in and haven't stuck anything down in this one. So you can, they are for sale, that's the centre. So you can sort of make your own minds up as to where you want to go. I have done decorations. This is a flip out. Let's go back in view, sorry. That's a flip out page. Some stamping. The back of the papers, and that's heat embossing with that white embossing powder that I did on my Christmas ephemera set. So that's another one of the ATC cards. Some more heat embossing. And then the second signature. Like I say, I've made up 2 signatures out of the kit. So more heat embossing. And again, the little ATC, note cards, tags. Some more. So a tag that I've stuck on, stamping, and this is the one of the cards I made up, or the pieces of ephemera I made up when I was doing the last video. It's got a tag inside. Centre. And the back of the bag with a tag. Oh, there we go. Some stamping. Another one of the ATCs. And another one. So these, if I quickly explain where my thought process was, these very thin ones would be great for gluing down on the edge, and then you can slide your cards into, or papers or lists. I'm a great one for lists, so lists into. That's what I was thinking, but I've learned that I don't stick anything in now until where do we get to? That one. I don't put anything in now or glue anything down until I come to that page, because otherwise I find I'm pulling them out and I'm making a mess, and it's like, oh. That's another flip out page. And then we come to the back. Let's move the charms. So that's another one of those. They're not ATC because they're not 2.5 by 3.5, but another one of the, what could be a tuck spot. We have a bit of lace. And a bit more embossing on the back. So that's the first one. So we have 2 green ones, different charms, different colourways, words. I did actually make these little ribbon flowers, and I've coloured them, and I was going to put them on, but don't know. I'm not going to put them on, but these will be for sale, so I will put them in the box and you can do as you wish with them. So, same kit, different cover. So that was that one. So one with a little red cardinal, I think. This one's got a Father Christmas on the front. So some embossing, calendars, different tag. I like tags. You can go mad with tags, and it doesn't really matter. So we've got the ticket. So what shall I call them? Tuck spot. Potential tuck spots. And some heat embossing. Some more. So as I said, they're the same, but different. I am only going to give a quick sort of flip through of these. Stamping. Oh, that one's got a little Christmas dress in there. Some more heat embossing. This one is a, if I can, a flip out page. Does that white embossing powder really does stand out. One of those tuck spots. This is a stamp that I've gone over with a paintbrush to sort of blend it into the background. So that's signature one, and then two. So I've started them off with embossing. We've got the tags in the lace pocket. So these are both the traditional kits, plus all the other bits. Oh, some embossing. So if you like a plain traditional kit, some ribbon. I do like that bright paper. Heat embossing, and this was one of the other ephemera pieces I made up in the tutorial. These have worked out really, really well actually. I'm really pleased with them. That's got a tag inside. And the centre. Back, so a bit more embossing. And that one is a flip out page. Oops. It's difficult to know when to stop with decoration because you could go on and just keep on filling it up with sort of pure decoration, couldn't you? It's like, okay, when do we stop? And then you got no room then. I don't have any room to actually to do it. So that's a green one with Santa, and then the red one. So this one is just different flowers, different pictures on the fabric. So more quilting. Oops. So this is the pink kit. So started them off the same, all the heat embossing. Different tag in this one. Well, they're all different tags. So I thought, okay, plain one. Ooh, it's bent over. Let's go monochrome, almost. So, Santa. Oh, that one's got a ribbon on the top. A couple of tags. Some more pages. There's more embossing. And that's the centre of that one. So you can see the difference in the pinker kit. A bit more embossing up there. That's the other flip out page. Some ribbon stick on. The one of the little pockets. And then second signature. And those. Couple of tags. Some stamping. Got the heat embossing. Some more. And that's the other ephemera piece. And down the ticket inside. It's got a tag inside. That's another flip out page. Now I'm hoping these covers will last as long as I think they will. They should be good for a few years, I'm hoping. So a bit more stamping. Oh, a belly band in this one. Pockets. And a tag. And the back page. Oh, my cats are going for it again, bless them. So these covers, I'm hoping will last, a few years, I'm hoping. So we have 3. Like I say, the idea when I put them together was to do, to make the covers and then inserts. I'm hoping as years go by, you take them out and you take the completed inserts out and then put new ones in for that year. That was the idea behind it. Whether it works like that, I have no idea. Anyway, I will be listing these for sale. The kids is in the Etsy shop and on the website. So thank you very much for watching, and I will be back soon. You take care now. Bye.